Welcome back to MS Word Tutorials. So today these topics we are going to cover: Microsoft Office button, quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbons and tabs, and rollers. Okay. Okay. Actually, what is Microsoft Word? It enables you to create, edit, and save professional documents like letters and reports. Okay. First of all, what's the first topic? Microsoft Office button and quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbons and tabs, and rollers. So this was the new document. We can see here document 2, and this was the office button. When we click on this office button, it displays some useful options. See here, which are used very frequently. Especially the office button provides us options to open, save, print any document, or perform the common functions. Okay. We can find this office button in the top left corner here. Okay. What are the menu options here? See here. New, open, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, and close. This options allows us to create this option. The new option, it allows us to create a new blank file. Okay. When we click on that, see, when we click on this, it shows us to create a new blank. We can create a new blank document, new blog post, or anything. Simply we can click on it and click on create. So a new document will open. Document 3. I was explaining this session is document 2. See here. Okay. A new document will open. And what was the next option? Open. Yeah. This option allows us to open an existing file for local storage on your computer. See, yeah, save option. This option allows us to permanently save a temporary file in our computer after finishing the work. With the, how can give you example? This was a temporary file. Let me type something here. Hi, good morning. Let me make it 25. And if I want to save this file, we can go to this save option, and it's ask you the location to save. So I was taking the location is documents, and name it 3123. You can mention any name. You can save it. Save. See here in title bar, you can see that. You can title bar see this file. It was saved with the name of Srilata13. Okay, I didn't have to save this file. Here, the save options allows us to save a copy of the active file with the desired file name and existing file to desired location in the computer storage. See, if just now I have saved the Srilata13 document in the documents, or if you want to save this file in a PDF format, or see here it shows Word document, Word template, and other formats. If you want to save this format in another format, you can easily use this option. Okay, and next one, print. These options allow us to take a hard copy of a desired document on paper or through a printer. Alternatively, the print option can use us to save copy and activate the document to the PDF format. Okay, so we can take the print, or we can take the print and print preview, quick print also. And next one, prepare option. This option allows us to prepare the active file for distribution. In particular, the prepare option helps us to view and modify the document properties accordingly. We can also insert the hidden metadata and specify the files with this option. And next one is send option. This option allows us to send or share the desired file directly through the Open Office program with others. In particular, we may share active document by email and upload them to Drive or post in a specific blog. The send option is renamed as save and send in Office. Okay, and next topic is close. Close. This option, yeah, this option helps us to close an active document in yeah. This option helps us to close an active document in corresponding Office program. Okay. And the next topic is quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar, it lies on, wait, I'll take it. Yeah, here. This quick access toolbar lies next to the Microsoft Office button. Here, this was the Office button, and then next to Office button. It is customizable toolbar that comes with a set of independent commands. It gives us a quick access to commonly used like commands such as save, undo, redo, etc. This was save, and this was undo, and this was redo. When you click on the drop down button here, this when we click on this drop down button, the arrow next to the toolbar, it offers more commands. With the left click, you can add any of these commands, to click. And access toolbar, you can also remove the commands added to the toolbar, the intent, spacing values, individual styles, and other features that appears. See, on the ribbon, we cannot be added to quick access toolbar. The in ribbon we cannot access anything. So next topic, what was the next topic? Title bar. So what is title bar? Here we can see it lies next to the quick access toolbar. Here next to the quick access toolbar, this is a title toolbar. It displays title bar. Sorry, this was a title bar. It lies next to the access toolbar. It displays the title of the currently open document or application. We can call it as application also. Okay. We can easily find the document where we currently open any document. If I open a different document, see here, class 1 MS Office document. This shows that I was in the document of MS Office class. So like that. Okay. We can easily find where we are. It displays the current title of open document. And next topic is what was the next topic? Ribbons and tabs. So what is ribbons and what are tabs? Actually, the ribbon is a user interface element. It's allocated below to the quick access toolbar. See here, this was a quick access toolbar, and this all ribbons and tabs. Okay, it compares 7 tabs: home tab, insert tab, page layout, reference, mailing, review, and view. Each tab has a specific group of related commands. It gives you quick access. It gives you quick access to the commonly used commands that you need to complete a task. Okay, this home tab. The home tab is a default tab in Microsoft Word. It has 5 groups of related commands. Clipboard, see here, clipboard. Are you able to see my screen? Clipboard and font, paragraph, style, and editing. See, it helps you to change the document settings like font size, adding bullets, and adjusting styles, and many other common features. It also helps you to return to the home section of the document. Okay, and next insert tab. Insert is a second tab in the ribbon. As the name suggests, it is used to insert or add extra features in your document. It is commonly used to add tables, pictures, clip arts, shapes, page numbers, etc. The insert tab has 7 groups of related commands. Pages, here we can see here pages, tables, illustrations, links, header, footer, text, and symbols. Okay, and next page layout. This is the third tab in ribbons. Okay, this was the third tab in ribbons. This tab allows you to control the look and feel of your document. That is, you can change the page size, margins, line spacing, indent, document orientation, etc. The page layout tab has 5 groups of related commands: themes, page setup, page background, paragraph, and array. See here, themes, page setup, page background, paragraph, arrange. And next one is a reference tab. This was the fourth tab in ribbon. It allows you to enter a document source. See here, uh, this biography commands, etc. See here, table contents, footnotes, biography, caption, index, table of authorities. The reference tab has a 6 group of related commands. Uh, just now we have seen footnote, biography, caption, index, table of authorities. Okay, and mailing tab. This was the fifth tab in ribbon. This was the fifth tab in ribbon. It is least often used tab for all the tabs available in ribbons. Okay, it allows you to merge emails and writing and inserting different fields and preview results and convert a file into a PDF format. The mailing tab has 5 groups of related commands like create, start mail merge, write and insert fields, preview results, and finish. And the next one is review tab. This is the 6th tab in the ribbon. This tab offers you some important commands to modify your document. It helps you proofread your content. Okay, it helps you to proofread your content and to add or remove comments and track changes, etc. The review tab has a 6 group of related commands: proofing, comments, tracking, compare, and protect. Okay, changes also. And view tab. This view tab, yeah, this view tab is located to the review tab, next to the review tab. Yeah, okay, next to the review tab. This tab allows you to switch between a single page and 2-page views. It enables you to control various layout tools like uh, boundaries, guides, rulers. Its primary purpose is to offer you different ways to view your document. The view tab has 5 groups related commands: document view, show, hide, see here, show, hide, and zoom, windows, and macros. And next one, this ruler. Actually, what is this ruler? Why it is located? This is located below to the ribbon around you to edge of document. around the edge of document. It is used to change the font of document. That is, it helps you to align the text tables, graphs, and other elements of your document. It uses inches or centimeters and measures until and give you an idea about the size of the document. Okay. Okay. This was the top. These topics we have covered today. Thank you.